We're at Aventura and we're going to walk through Sapphire Falls to the water taxi and time it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Aventura, not Adventura. I think I'm just hearing you say Aventura, yeah. Scarred. You got the buses on the right here. I reckon it's the same parking as well. God, I thought that car was going to come get me then. Did you?
Yeah, it's the same.
I like the colour scheme of Sapphire Falls. I like the blue. Parking on the right here. Yeah. I'll just keep walking, you can catch me up. I'll put the timer on here.
Yeah, so 3-minute walk.
It's just different. Well, and that's from the front to the front, isn't it? Yeah. Longest the water taxi. Oh, it smells nice. Oh. Hey.
I think it's not though. It actually some chili, although it's out of the way.
So you've got the spiral stairs on the right. I'm just going to take the filters off. Oh, you can see about it. Level 1. Just down here, keep going. There you go. Aventura on the left. Caribbean food. And then just at the door, you have the water taxi. And we're not sure. I'm just going to put the filters back on. So you have to go through security here, but that's your security done for CityWalk. We just missed the boat, which is fine because Steph isn't here anyway because she stepped off to look at the mugs. So I'm going to pause the video in It's literally 5 minutes. I think I'm messing around a little bit there. So yeah, this is the water taxi. Sapphire Falls from Aventura. 5 minute walk.